Okay, so now be serious. So just last time,
నేను అడిగిన వాట్సాప్ నంబర్
yes boys, last time we have started this French Revolution. Okay, so today we'll continue French Revolution.
వెంకటేష్ నా ల్యాప్టాప్ జాపరున్నా.
Okay, listen all of you. Just I mute all.
Agnesh, keep silent. Okay.
Okay, see here. Last time we have completed geography 2 chapters. Okay, first chapter is India and its location. Next one is the physical features of India. Next one also we started, that is the French Revolution. So French Revolution we have completed just only just some few, that is half of the chapter. So from where it was stopped, from there onwards I am going to start now. Okay, listen carefully. So this is think that this is a school academic classes. So be serious and listen carefully. Seriously listen. Okay, don't neglect this one. Because once again you have these exams. Exams are coming. So we have the exam from 4 chapters. Not 4, 5 chapters is there. So don't disturb. Okay, just without neglect, just listen carefully. Okay. So and one more important thing is, while class is going on, everybody should on their videos, otherwise you will be not admitted. So ఎప్పుడు వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేసుకునే ఉండాలి, because we can't understand that. So last time meeting in the sir also said like that only. While the class is going on, everybody must be on the video, whether they are listening or not. So that should be observed. So these classes are very important. So be serious. Don't neglect these classes. Okay, think that this is a regular classes. Once again I won't tell these lessons. మళ్ళీ లెసన్స్ చెప్పను కాబట్టి జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి, సీరియస్గా తీసుకోండి. ఇది స్కూల్గా ఫీల్ కండి. స్కూల్లో మనం ఎలా చెప్తామో డైలీ క్లాసెస్ అలాగే అనుకోండి. సో మళ్ళీ చెప్తారులే అనుకోవద్దండి ఇంకా. ఓకే, అగైన్ you are having these exams. That exams marks are very important. So be serious now. Okay, see here. So just one more important thing is okay. Okay, see here. So last time we have started the French Revolution. So just we make just listen carefully. French Revolution. So actually we have discussed last time, that is about Louis XVI. So just we go through these screens. Just if you see this one means you can understand. Okay, see here. So this is a chapter for you, first chapter. So just move forward, just wait. So this is your first chapter in the history, that is the French Revolution. Okay. Yes. So this is the French Revolution. As we have seen last time, French Revolution was started in the years July 4, 1789. Just remember 1789, nothing but just French Revolution. So in the history, some dates are very important. Like example, this is a revolt of 1857. Okay, when the Congress was formed, that is 1885. So you have seen this one in the 7th class and 8th class like that. So like that here also 1789 is very important. That is French Revolution started. Okay, so here we have seen that storming of Bastille. So Bastille is one of the city, very important city in the France. French is nothing but the France. So in France we can see that Bastille is the second capital city. Okay, second capital city in the France. Suppose if you see this India. So in India, first capital is historical capital is New Delhi, and economic capital or business capital is Mumbai. So like that in those days in the France also, first historical capital is Paris, second business capital, and also sometimes this is historical capital is Bastille, and Paris is called as the financial capital. Okay, like that. So soon after demolition of Bastille, so Bastille was completely experienced with revolutions and revolts in the 19th century. And I said this one. So in the year 1774, Louis XVI. So this is the name of the king, Louis XVI. He became the king of the France. So he is called as a monarchy. Okay, so monarchy has nothing but, so whatever the rules he will tell, so that rules must be followed throughout the France. Okay, so like that. So French, that is Louis XVI, became the monarchy of the France. Now just we have already discussed this one. At the time of Louis XVI, the French was divided into three estates. So here the society of the France. Okay, society of the France is divided into three estates. That is first estate, second estate, and third estate. So first estate is called as clergy. In the first estate, the first class people, that is the clergy people, will comes under first estate. Okay, next nobility. Nobility nothing but here the king's families and also some royal families. And next various army soldiers, they comes under nobility. Next third estate is remaining class, that is the third biggest estate. It is called as, it is having the big businessmen, merchants, court officials, lawyers, peasants, artisans, small peasants, okay, landless laborers, etc. So all these people, they comes under third estate. So we have already discussed this one. So next here also we have seen this one. So what is the picture about this one means, third estate people are not allowed to cast their vote in the General Assembly. Actually now in our country we have parliament is there. Okay, parliament. So in the parliament who will be there? All the MPs, speakers. Okay, we have in the parliament we have two houses are there. So Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is lower house, upper house is Rajya Sabha. Okay. And next here MPs will be there and also speakers will be there. So like that here the parliament is there in our country. But at the time of the French Revolution started at the time, so French is having the having this General Assembly. It is called as General Assembly. Okay, General Assembly. In the General Assembly there are three estates are there actually. Okay, three estates. So first estate and second estate are not paying taxes. Remaining third estate are paying the taxes. Okay, here what is the picture means here, the noble persons. The noble person is like the spider and the peasant is the fly. Here if you see this picture, So what is the meaning here means, see here, spider, you know the spider. So just okay. Yes. So here the spider is given. Okay. What is the meaning for this means? So actually the spider weaves a web. Spider weaves a web. What is the meaning for this? So spider is weaving a web. Web it is called as a website, or so we are just calling this as website, but it is called as web. Web means nothing but just like net-like structure. Okay. So here, whatever the small flies are there, like a small insects, okay, mosquitoes like that, they'll fall on this web, that is threads. Then at the time what will happen, the spider will come and they will bite the insect. Then whenever the bite is, due to that poison, the small insects will be died, and that slowly the total insect, after the death of this insect, slowly it was covered with the web thread, and then slowly it was eaten by the spider. So like that here, the rich peoples are the noble persons. Noble persons are compared with spider, and the flies or the insects is considered as the low class people or the third estate people. That is peasants mainly. So once upon a time, peasants are having the very large importance. Okay. So now present day, so example, how the government employees are given much importance, like that peasants are given much importance. Peasants means who is that? Peasants means small farmers and big farmers. Okay, so like that. So we have discussed this one also last time. So next, so here is there, the noble man is a spider, the peasant is a fly. So like that. Next, see here, the struggle to survive. Here, one thing you should notice. Here, America was there. So, American Revolution. We have seen in the, I think this was not, this was came in a state syllabus, not in the central syllabus, that is the CBSE. In the state syllabus, 9th class, there are 3 revolutions are there. So, American Revolution, okay, sorry, American Revolution is there, French Revolution is there, next Russian Revolution also is there. So 3 revolutions are there. First, American Revolution. We must know American Revolution here. So America was once upon a time occupied by UK, that is United Kingdom, that is England. So England is controlled by, America is controlled by England. Now Americans want freedom from England, like India. Okay. So how India got independence from England, you know that is Britishers. Like that, Britishers has occupied this America. So then finally they have started a revolution, that is called as American Revolution. So after American Revolution, America got independence. So in which year America got independence means in the year 1774 AD. In the year 1774, America got independence from England. But here, America did not got its independence on its own. It has taken the support of one country, that is called as France. Okay, France has given support for America in getting of independence from England. And here how this France has given support means, so France has given army, okay, army, and also weapons. So weapons also given. So one great person was there, army chief at the time. That is a king. Actually, king's family person was there. So his name is George Lafayette. George Lafayette. Lafayette. So George Lafayette. So it is the name of the person. So he is the grandfather of Louis XVI. Okay. So he has gone to the America along with the armies, and he fought with the British armies in the America. Finally, America got independence from the England. So in this great war, so it is called as the American Revolution. Okay, American Revolution is there. So in this revolution, France has supported for the given the weapons, and also not only this one, lot of money was also spent. Due to this one, so France has become very poor country. Okay, so have you got the point, all of you? When the France has given support for America, so France finance was completely became into crisis. So it is called as the crisis. Now the grandson of this Lafayette, George Lafayette, was Louis XVI. So Louis XVI is called as a monarchy. So now come to this French Revolution. So that is the past thing happened before French Revolution. Okay, so French Revolution before that, so this American Revolution was happened. So due to spending of lot of finance and money of the France for the American Revolution, so France became with a lot of crisis. So the government, even the monarchy was unable to provide basic needs and food supplies to the France people, because France has become very weak, okay, and also poor. Okay, so then what the thing happened? So here the flowchart is given. One flowchart is given here. So what is the flowchart means? France is suffering with some crisis. Okay, so what is the crisis? See here. Okay, so just now I said that, so listen carefully. So once again I am telling, listen carefully. America was ruled by England. Okay, so America was ruled by England. Now America want independence from England. So America doesn't have that much of army to fight with England soldiers in the America. So that's why Americans has taken the support of France. Okay, so in the France, one king was there. His name is Lafayette, George Lafayette. So he has given the army support and also the financial support. Okay, financial support also given for America. So by taking the help of this France, finally they have fought a great war in the America. So that is called as American Revolution. And finally they got independence. That is, Americans got independence in the year 1774. Just remember this year, 1774. On this year, America got independence. From which country? From England. So who has taken the support? From whose support means? Because of France. Now France was became very poor country after this American Revolution. So Lafayette's grandson was there. His grandson is Louis XVI. Okay. Now Louis XVI, he is a ruler. That means he became the monarchy ruler. So he was unable to provide food supplies and also the basic needs for his people. Why? Because of this financial crisis. Okay. So have got this point? Yes. See here, one flow chart is given here. What is a flow chart means? So subsistence crisis happens. So in the France, what happened means, okay. So due to bad harvest means what? Due to lack of rains. Okay, due to lack of rains, so droughts and famines are occurred. So due to that one, what will happen? Bad harvest. So there is no proper harvest is there. Harvest means what? So పంటని కోయడం అంటాం, దాన్ని హార్వెస్టింగ్ అంటాం. సో దాన్ని ఎందుకు ఇట్లా చేసినారంటే, సో ఫ్రాన్స్లో మనకి బ్యాడ్ హార్వెస్ట్ టైం వచ్చింది. ఓకే, డ్యూ టు ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ రెయిన్స్. సో the French peasants, mainly the farmers, peasants and tenants, they have become very poor. Even the government, that is the monarchy, also became very poor because the France was looted and all its expenses are spent in the American Revolution. So that's why the crisis was came in the France. So here, what is the table here means? So by seeing here, we have to fill the appropriate words. So see here, table is given. So just okay. So see here, fill in the table boxes with appropriate terms among the following. Food rights. So if the bad harvest is there means what will happen? So we may get the scarcity of grain. So we have to write here scarcity of grain. After scarcity of grain, what will happen? So food rights will come. Okay, so we have to write here food rights. Then after that, the poorest can no longer buy bread. Then what will happen? So rising of food prices. Okay, rising of food prices will come. So we have to write here rising of food prices. Next, after that, when the food prices are coming, then what will happen? So number of deaths will be increased. So here number of deaths are increased. But here in these two boxes, what you have to write means, so rising of food prices and weaker bodies. Whenever the food prices are increased, poor peoples are unable to buy the food grains. So that's why their bodies become very weak. So due to that one, what will happen? Immediately diseases will come. That is, epidemic diseases will come. And also, whenever the poor bodies are there, both maybe leads to number of deaths. So like that, here we have to fill like this. Okay, so this is a crisis table. Flowchart is given. Afterwards, you have to fill this one. Now see here. When the Louis XVI was there, so as I said many times this one. So when the Louis XVI term was there in the year 1774, the France society was divided into three estates: first estate, second estate, and third estate. So many times I'm telling this one. Why I'm telling this one means because this is very important for exam. Okay, so they may ask just a flow chart. Sometimes draw the flow chart of this French estates, like that they may ask. So that's why I'm telling this one once again. So first estate, the French society is divided into three estates. So first estate is clergy. Clergy means only the church priest. So who are the church priests are there? They will they will be declared as a first class. That is first estate. Next is nobility. The kings and the king's relatives and king's family, royal family, they comes under second estate. Third estate is most of the members comes under this third estate. That is big businessmen, merchants, court officials, lawyers. Next, peasants, officials, small peasants, landless labor, all the peoples, they will come under third estate. But remember here, third estate is once again divided into three sub-estates. Okay, like that you remember. So bigger one, the big farmers, merchants, court lawyers, officials, they comes under third sub-estate. Next, third sub-estate 2, they comes under peasants and artisans. Third sub-estate 3, small peasants, landless laborers and servants. Okay, like that you remember. Now here, same like as in our country, just now I said parliament is having two houses, lower house and that is the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And here we can see the MPs. So like that here also in the France also there is General Assembly. We can call this as General Assembly. In the General Assembly, so we can see that all the monarchies are present. Monarchy is sitting at the middle position. So here you think that monarchy. And next first estate will be present like this. And next to second estate, next to third estate. So it is present like this. Okay, we can see that pictures in the just we move forward just. I've got this point. What I said this one. So third estate people, third estate people, mainly the peasants, are became the flies for the spider. So if this is spider is there means, so the flies are coming onto the spider and they will fall on the web. Whenever the flies are coming and falling on this web, then immediately the spider is going to bite the small insects. Then they will be died. After that, they will be slowly eaten by the spider. So like that here also, the monarchies, the clergies and monarchies, the first estate people are treated as spider, and the poor peasants are treated as flies. Okay, flies means here like insects. So they will be eaten away, they will be exploited away by the rich people. That is first estate and third estate. Okay, like that. So here is given, the noble person is spider, the peasant is fly, like that. So next to see here, what will happen under Louis XVI? And one more important thing is here, one thing you should remember, liras. This is called as livras. Livras is nothing but it is one of the currency in the France. Okay, it is called as livres or just V silent. Okay, lires. So according to this Latin English, it is called as V silent. So liras or just it is called as liras. Okay. So the French currency name is liras. Now here, so lot of billions of liras are spent in the American Revolution. Okay, like that. So come to the point here. Okay, growing a middle class envisages an end to privileges. See here, at this time under Louis XVI. So Louis XVI. So French, that is in the French, that is middle class was growing a lot. So middle class is nothing but, so they are not too much poor or they are not too much rich. They are in the middle class. So always middle class is suffering with a lot of things. Okay, lot of many problems. Okay, so here envisages an end to privileges. So whenever the middle class is growing on, so the privileges also reduced. Means what? The basic needs also become into crisis. Okay, so like that. So here at the time of this French Revolution, so in which year the French Revolution started? 1789. And at the time, a very important city is Bastille. Remember this one. So in the Bastille only, many revolutions are broke out. Bastille also destroyed by the peasants' riots. It is called as riots. Riots means what? Movements or revolutions or revolts. Okay, so many revolts are broke out in the 1789 at this Bastille. Okay, so next just we move forward. Yes. So here accounts of lived expenses in old regime. So here one it is given about one active politician. So George Dalton, who later became the active in the revolutionary products, wrote to a friend about the okay. So educated in the residential. So it is given about a revolutionary politician. At the time, the politics also improved. It means peasants also, they came out and they have started this revolution, striking against this monarchy, that is Louis XVI. So in this one, a politician was participated. His name is George Dalton. So it is given about the feeling or expression of this George Dalton. Okay, afterwards you can see this paragraph. Next, see here, outbreak of revolution. How the revolution was started in the French. Okay, that is in the French, how this revolution was broke out. So that we are going to see now. Okay. Okay. So Louis XVI want to collect more taxes. So he has increased a lot of taxes. Okay. Then at the time, who is going to be paid these taxes? Means only the third estate. So third estate people only paying the taxes, and there is no paying of taxes by first estate and third estate, first estate and second estate. So first estate and second estate are not paying the taxes. Only third estate peoples are paying the taxes. And in spite of this one, what happened means there is elections are conducted for the ministers under king, that is monarchy. Then for this, there are only 2 votes are there. Now today we have nearly for every individual, that is who is crossing the 18 years, so they are getting the vote power. They are eligible for vote. But here in the France, once upon a time, only just 2 votes are there. Okay. So remember one thing. So it is going to time up, but after switching off, once again you join. Okay, whenever it is stopped, once again you join this group. ఇది టైం కంప్లీట్ కావడానికి వస్తుంది. స్టాప్ అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ అందరూ జాయిన్ కాండి. ఓకే ఓకే, కమ్ టు ద పాయింట్. ఓకే, సో నౌ బీ సీరియస్. సో జస్ట్ లాస్ట్ టైం
నేను అడిగిన వాట్సాప్ నంబర్ మరి.
Yes, boys. Last time we have started this French Revolution. Okay. So today we will continue French
ఏ
Revolution.
వెంకటేష్ నా ల్యాప్టాప్ జాపరుందనా?
Okay. Listen, all of you.
Agnesh, keep silent. Okay.
Okay. See here. Last time we have completed geography 2 chapters. Okay. First chapter is India and its location. Next one is the physical features of India. Next one also we started, that is the French Revolution. So French Revolution we have completed just only just some few, that is half of the chapter. So from where it was stopped, from there onwards I am going to start now. Okay, listen carefully. So this is think that this is a school academic classes. So be serious and listen carefully. Seriously listen. Okay, don't neglect this one. Because once again you have these exams. Exams are coming. So we have the exam from 4 chapters. Not 4, 5 chapters is there. So don't disturb. Okay, just without neglect, just listen carefully. Okay. So and one more important thing is, while class is going on, everybody should on their videos. Otherwise you will be not admitted. So ఎప్పుడు వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేసుకునే ఉండాలి. Because we can't understand that. So last time meeting in the sir also said like that only. While the class is going on, everybody must be on the video, whether they are listening or not. So that should be observed. So these classes are very important. So be serious. Don't neglect these classes. Okay, think that this is a regular classes. Once again, I won't tell these lessons. మళ్ళీ లెసన్స్ చెప్పను కాబట్టి జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి, సీరియస్గా తీసుకోండి. ఇది స్కూల్గా ఫీల్ కండి. స్కూల్లో మనం ఎలా చెప్తామో డైలీ క్లాసెస్ అలాగే అనుకోండి. సో మళ్ళీ చెప్తారులే అనుకోవద్దండి ఇంకా. Okay. Again, you are having these exams. That exams marks are very important. So be serious now. Okay, see here. So just one more important thing is okay. Okay, see here. So last time we have started the French Revolution. So just we make just listen carefully. French Revolution.